Hey everyone, you might be wondering if ChatGPT Atlas, the brand new web browser from OpenAI, is available for Windows. Well, unfortunately not yet. As of right now, ChatGPT Atlas is only available on macOS. If you head over to their official website, you'll see it says, currently only available on macOS. That means you can download it on a MacBook or iMac, but there's no Windows version at the moment. So if you're using a Windows PC or laptop, there's no official installer or setup file for you just yet. You can't download it from the Microsoft Store or the OpenAI website for Windows right now. The good news is that OpenAI has mentioned that ChatGPT Atlas will eventually be available on more platforms, including Windows. So it's just a matter of time before we can all try it out on our Windows PC. For now, you'll need to wait a bit longer, but the Windows version is definitely coming soon. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on ChatGPT and other tech tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.